Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a theme template in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your Shopify account, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, where at the left side of the screen you can see all the sections you can access, like home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with creating a theme template. Basically, what we're going to open up first is right here at the left side of the screen. Under the sales channels, you want to open up online store. So go ahead and open up online store. This is automatically going to open up your themes section right here, where you can take a look at the theme that you are using and you can get started customizing it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click the customize option. You have one option guys. If you want to replicate your theme, you can just click the three dots right here, and then you can click duplicate to duplicate your theme, and then you can edit it later on the second theme. But if you want to go ahead and create a template, what you can do is click customize, and after clicking customize, it's going to open up this new editor of your website and your store. You can take a look at your header, template, footer, and so on, and right at the top of the screen you can see this option that says home page. So you want to click on home page. So after selecting home page, this is now going to open up this new menu of options where you have a lot of options for your pages, products, and so on. One of the options is going to be called create meta object template. So here you can get started with creating template for whatever you need. So you can build pages with meta objects, so you can get started creating your templates right here. You can go ahead and click on your pages to create a template of your pages and so on. So this is how you can go ahead and turn your theme into a template, or you can just duplicate it as I showed you. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.